Okay, so yeah, today we're going to learn additive and additive and subtractive modeling today. Okay, all right. So first, solid modeling. Can someone read this to me?
Sure. Solid modeling is a type of 3D CAD process that represents the volume of an object, not just its lines and surfaces.
Yep, good. Anyone know what CAD is? Anyone? Okay, so think about it. What would it mean? I think CAD means computer-aided design. So basically we're designing something using a computer. That's CAD. Make sense? Yep. Okay, all right. So basically this is a wireframe model right here. So it's just made of a bunch of different lines that may block, and then this just does not look that real, right? On the other hand, solid modeling, this looks super real because we see all the shade, all the blocks are filled in. So that's why we use this more than the wireframe. Okay, so first, solid modeling, the wireframe model. It does not give the viewer an idea of surface appearance, nor does it provide information regarding mass properties. So technically, this is not a solid model, okay? A real solid model, it will show how an object's surfaces will appear, and it will provide information on surface area, volume, and weight. Solid CAD models are the result of additive and or subtractive processes. So this is what we're going to talk about today. All CAD solid modeling programs utilize additive and subtractive modeling methods to create virtual 3D objects. They're also referred to as Boolean operations, named after the 18th century English mathematician Charles Boole. Any questions so far? Nope. Okay, all right. Yep, we have someone else joining. Hello, is that Richard?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, welcome. So yes, we're just talking about solid modeling. We're gonna use additive and subtractive to achieve it. Okay, first, additive methods. This three-dimensional objects can be viewed as the combination of two or more simple forms. That makes sense? So like, let's say if I have a pen on a phone, so these are two separate simple forms, right? If I put them together, that's a three-dimensional object. That makes sense? See the chat? Okay, Ian said his Wi-Fi is just being slow. Yes, Ian, you're fine. You can leave your camera off. In the creation of real-world objects, this method is represented by construction processes such as welding, gluing, mechanical fastening, and joinery. So basically, we can use a bunch of different methods to achieve this shape right here. So first, we can make this shape right here, right? And then we can add this little cube to it. That will make this shape, right? First, we will have to get the dimensions. And then a different way will be right here, method 2, where we can do top and bottom, right? Okay. And method 3, we can also make a bunch of different blocks and then put them all together. That makes sense?
Hi. So I just came. So I have a question. How do I open the software?
Not yet. We're not gonna use Inventor yet. You will use it later.
Okay.
Okay. All right, now let's get into subtractive methods. An object can be viewed as the remainder of a solid block that has had the geometry of one or more form sequentially removed. In the creation of real-world objects, this method is represented by milling, drilling, turning, grinding, and other manufacturing processes. So basically, let's say we have a huge block, right? And I only want a part of it. So basically, I can cut out like half and then take the other half, right? That is what a subtractive method is meaning, basically. So here we go. We have a huge block right here, right? We're going to cut off this part right here. So that gives me this part, right? And we'll take this part. We're going to cut off this little piece on the bottom, on the top right. And then we'll get this part, right? So that's what subtractive method means. That makes sense? Any questions on
Can you
active and
subtract a
subtractive?
different block other than that block? Can you subtract like the block on the front or something like that?
Yes, you can do it anyway, basically, but like this is
Can we just subtract the? Can we just not put it in 2 steps? Can we just put it in 1 step? Just subtract all of it?
no, that will not be possible because then you'll have to subtract extra on this side, right? Here, let me guess something that I can use. Do I have? Nope. Okay, all right. So basically, this part right here, there's no way I can subtract it in 1 step, right? Because all the subtracting, they have to be the same depth. And if I want to take this part out right here, that will be a little bit deeper than if I just take this part out, right?
Oh, same depth. Okay.
So that would not be possible. All right. First, yeah, so I use my own inventor to make this, and I'm going to walk you through additive modeling. So first, we create a square on the bottom, right? And we go to extrude right here, and then we pop it up. And then we make a little shape right here. And then we just pop it up again. And then you're done, right? You have an additive modeling right there. What about subtractive? Anyone has any ideas? Anyone? Okay, I'll just walk through it. So basically, we're going to build the same base, right? This is zoomed out a little more, but it's the same base as the first one. And we're just going to make it a bit taller, right? Because we're going to dig down on it. So we don't want that much, so we don't want that little depth. And then we're going to dig out this shape right here. So this shape right here. And then extrude it down. And see, you're done. So you get the same shape either with additive or subtractive, right? So technically, these two methods give you the same result. Here, I can actually show you on Inventor. Okay, here we go. Firstly, I don't want you to go to Inventor right now because I want to walk you through this first, and then you get time to do it on your own, okay? Firstly, I want you guys to open this new. It's on the top left. Don't do it now. After I said that you can go work on your stuff, then go do it. Now just listen to me. Click on new. We're going for this one right here. Y'all see it? And we're going to click create right here on the bottom, create. Okay. And we just get this little blank screen, right? Let's click to go to 2D sketch, and let's select XZ plane. All right, this works. Did you see what I did?
Wait, can you do it again?
Yes. So first, click on this. You see it? 2D sketch. Top left. This one right here.
I know.
Oh, and
Yeah.
then it takes you to the top.
No, then it takes me here, right? It asks me what plane I want my project to be on. Click on it. Click on the XZ plane, okay? So this is the one that's flat on the ground. All right. Click on this, and it takes you to the top, right here, as you see. This is just for the one I showed you in my presentation. This will be different to your homework, okay? So first we click on line, right? We go from the center. You see the dot turn green. Click on it, and then drag it sideways, right? Whenever you see this thing right here that says 90, you see it? 90 degrees. That one, leave it there because we just want it to be 90 degrees. And then you see where it says 0.477 inches. We're going to make that 0.5. Okay? And click enter. There goes our first line, right? That makes sense? Any questions there? Questions?
Can you do that one more time?
Yeah, no problem, no problem. So first click on line, right? Right here. Now we go to this middle point until this dot turns green. Y'all see that? The dot is green right now, right? I click and drag it left. That makes sense? And then now you can do anything, just type in 0.5 inches. Click enter. There you go. You have the line.
So we just type IN for inches.
Yes, basically.
So no use like CM or something like that.
CM means centimeter, but that's different to inches. We're just going to use inches here, okay? And then next step, you don't have to click anything. It just gives you another line. Now you should just move it upwards. And then again, we're going to type in 0.5, right? If you don't type in any unit, you'll be fine still because it just automatically assumes that it's inches. So space, and then there we go, right? And then we should go right and type in 1. Damn, that's 1 inch, right? And then we should now go down, right here. 1 again. Bam, that's 1 inch again, right? Left, 1 inch. And I should go up and 1. There we go. And after you want to quit, press this ESC button on the top left of your keyboard. There we go. We're done with the sketch. Any questions up until now?
Can you, oh wait, how do you do?
Can you remove the line that says 0.5? Like that line you made just for help, like just to like make it so it's in the middle?
You know this one?
Yeah.
Right click and then see this, delete.
Oh, okay.
It's gone, right? And we're just going to do the same thing with the dimension as well. Click on it, delete,
Also, just remove that 0.5, please.
and this one, yes, for sure, for sure.
Yay.
Done, right?
Wait, but why did that one have a parentheses?
I do not know, but I don't think it matters that much, okay?
Okay, fine.
Here we go. So we have this little shape right here, right? Now click extrude. Do you guys see this? Extrude.
Wait, so we tap 3D model at the top and then we press extrude?
Yes. We click extrude. Oh, look at how big this one gets, right?
Can you control the height though?
Yes, you can say right here, you see this distance A? Distance A is the height. Let's say we just want to make it 0.5 inches, right? See?
What is that point at the top?
It just means it's going up.
That point is enough to even drag it.
Oh, this part?
I think you can drag it.
Well, the thing is that you can make a bunch of different angles, right? And now we just want a square, so let's keep it at 0 degrees. Okay? All right, and we're going to leave this 0.5 and then click OK. Like that, right? But what if we want to make another shape on top of this? What should we do?
Duplicate?
Okay.
So we have a few different ways to do it, okay? So we can click on this again, 2D sketch, and select this plane, right? Select it. And then there we go. We can just make a bunch of different stuff as well. So 0.5 here. 0.5 there. 0.5 here. And then 0.5 here. Done, right? And so always click this finish, okay? This little green check mark right here. Click on it. Bam, there we go, right? So what if I want to extrude this part? I want to make it go up. What can I do?
Click extrude.
Click extrude, okay? See? Up by 0.5 inches. Click OK. We're done, right? Is this easy enough? So basically draw, extrude, draw, extrude.
Can you do that again?
Yeah, for sure, no problem. Okay, let me just go for a whole different one. Do you guys get this part now?
Yes.
So you click on this new, and then you go to this, click create. There we go, you have a new one, right? All right, here, click on this, select XZ plane. We can draw a line here. Do you get this part now?
Yes.
Okay, so I can go fast right here. My mouse is stuck. All right, do you get it until here?
Yes. Wait, how do I delete something?
Okay, so here, you see you hang your mouse over the line you want to delete until it turns green, right?
Uh-huh.
Right click on it. Do you have a mouse, or are you using the magical board?
Huh?
Do you have a mouse? Like-
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you right click on this after it turns green, right? Here we go, delete.
I see.
Did I really delete my little one dimension? Yep, I did. For sure I did. That's so bad. Okay, let me delete this 0.5 as well. Done, right? Click this, green check mark here. You see it?
Yes.
Okay. Click extrude if you see it. Extrude right here, top left. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Right here, right? And this gets a little bit too tall, so I want to make it a little bit not as tall, right?
So basically, extrude just like turns your drawing 3D.
Basically, yes. And then we're making this distance 8. We're making it 0.5, right? And click enter, and then you'll be good. All right, and I want to add another 2D sketch to this top part, right? So I click on this 2D sketch. If you see it, click on it. Move your mouse over to here until this plane turns green, right? Click on it. It takes you right here. Does that all make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we are going to make another shape on there. So we're just going this way, basically. I can go a bit faster right now.
But do we need to use line, like when there's a rectangle?
Either one works, because I like line better because you can dimension it easier. But I mean, I think both works. So here, I can use the rectangle for it. Here, right? Just drag it from here over to here. Click on it, done. Okay? Click this again. Right here. And we're right back, right? Click extrude again. And this part will be popped up as well. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Does everyone get this? Does it make sense to everyone?
I can't make it though.
Who's talking?
Me. How?
Oh, okay. You can't make it? Like, what do you mean?
I don't think. I mean, I thought I did, but my lines are never straight, and I can't edit the length of the line.
1 second. After I give everyone their homework, I think I can come and help you, okay?
Okay.
All right, so yes, I'm gonna talk about subtractive right now really quick. If any of these don't make sense, you can just always be on here and then I'll help, okay? So we click create to create a new one, right? Oh yeah, and saving. This is important because you want to save your work, right? You see this save right here, right up here.
Yes.
Click on it, and it gives you this, right? I want you to go to desktop, and then, oh, you guys cannot see it, can you? Nope. All right, just gonna share my screen now. Just gonna share my whole screen.
You are sharing your screen.
I know, but like, gotta share everything right here. Now you can see it, right?
We can all see the files, yes.
Okay, all right. So basically, we're going to create a new folder. Where did I create that? Here we go. And let's name it Engineering Design Club. Right click into there. And then name your additive, additive.ipt, okay? Click save. There we go. You're good. All right. Now let's go for subtractive. Same thing goes on with drawing. Does everyone get this part now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so basically we did the same thing with subtractive comparing to additive, right? But who can tell me what we can do different to subtractive rather than additive?
We could do -1 inch.
No. So first of all, we need to extrude it up further, right? Because if we want to dig down on it, the initial height should be taller. Does that make sense? Does it make sense to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go for 1 inch here. Click OK, right? We get this shape right here. I want to make a 2D sketch on top again, right here. This time, I'm going to dig down this part. Does that make sense? Okay, that makes sense. Right here, and we see this part drawn out, right? We can click extrude on it again, and we need to click on this plane, right? Right here. After it turns green, click on it. Now this time, we don't want it to go up anymore, right? We want it to go down. So this button goes down because it says flip, right? So if we flip it, that means it doesn't go up, it goes down. So that's why we're digging, right? Click there, magic, right? And then, okay, so we only want it to go down 1/2 inch. We don't want it to go down all the way, right? So we're gonna go 0.5 inch. Click OK. Done. So you get the same shape as the additive, right? Is that pretty cool, everyone?
Yes.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, does everyone have Google Classroom? Because I want everyone to go to my Google Classroom.
All right.
I have a Google Classroom.
Right here. This is a code to join because I post homeworks on here. You guys join?
Wait a second. Pull it off real quick.
Okay, I joined.
Does anyone need more time?
Actually, never mind. It's still loading.
I need a little bit more time.
Okay, all right, yes. You got time. No worries. Take your time. Can I just copy this code and put it in the chat? Yes, I can. Okay. Here's the code. And I'll have to go see who joined. So
Personally, I think it's clear, as clear in both the chat and on screen.
after everyone joins, I'm going to introduce today's homework. Okay, yep. Anyone else need more time? Do we need more time? Are we good? Everybody? All right, I think we are all good. Okay. Yep. Hi. It doesn't hit this way. That way. We go. All right. Perfect. So today we have two homeworks: additive and subtractive modelings. Okay. So first, additive. Can I see the homework this way? Yes, instructions right here. So I want you to do this on Inventor, right? Here are all the dimensions. You see this right here? This is all the dimensions. And then we're going to extrude up by 1 inch. And then we're going to make another rectangle up here. And then extrude it up again. That easy? Okay. Anyone has questions on this? I see something in the chat. Okay, all right, yes, let's go to subtractive now. So same thing, I want you to go for subtractive right here. All right, so first, this is the dimension. Did everyone see it? Okay, now we have the second one. We're going to extrude it up by 2 inches, okay? And then we're going to cut off this part in the front. So this is the dimension. And then I want you to cut it off by 1 inch. That makes sense? Okay, yes, that's all for the homework. Anyone has questions on these two? We're all good? We're good? Okay, so if you don't have any questions, you can go work on your homework right now. Don't leave the call. You can turn.
How do I like open the program?
Just click on it.
Click?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I got what you're saying. Okay, here we go. 1 second. Let me first get this one all settled in. Nope, I don't want to save these. These are not important. Okay, so what you want to do is right here. I'll share my whole screen with you, okay? So first, click on this part right here. You see? This, on Windows computers, you should all have it, right? Start.
Okay.
You should have Inventor right here because it's recently added. But if you
Oh.
don't find it in
I get it.
Inventor 2020 or like, yeah, and be sure you open the right one. You should always click on this one, Autodesk Inventor Professional 2020. Don't click on anything else. Don't click on or nothing. Always click on the 2020. Okay.
What if we only have 2019?
Oh, that's fine. Yes, because I think I gave a few people the older versions, but they should work the exact same way, so you don't have to worry about that too much. But Alvin, do you have any questions?
No.
It asks for like a serial number.
Can you share your screen with me? I might be able to help this way. 1 second. Here we go. Click single user. Done. That's easy. Sign in with my account again.
Every time I try opening Inventor, after a few seconds of loading, the tab just disappears.
What is your email?
Oh, here, I'll type it in. Oh. There we go. Is that Elvin who had the question?
I don't have a question. I already asked.
Okay. Wait, who said their inventor disappeared?
When I try opening Inventor, it disappears. It just instantly disappears.
Want to share your screen over?
I could show you.
Oh, okay, I got what you. Oh, okay, you don't have this on, but yeah. All right, click on Inventor again. I'll see what happened there. Wait for it, wait for it. It's just loading a bit slow, but it should be fine. Isabel, good?
It says data collection and use.
Share your screen over. Again, I can't see your screen, so I don't know what's happening. Richard, I don't know what happened there, but actually, click OK. You should be good to go. Richard, if I were you, I would try to go download the 2021 and give it a try.
Do I click start learning or start working?
Working. Hey, Richard, no worries. So you get all these additive and subtractive things, right? Okay, so yes, if you need help, I'll be available tomorrow morning. I'll put my time available in the Google Classroom. So if you guys need any help, I will be in this meeting, okay? Anyone else have any questions about this? Hal, I thought you had a question about your lines.
How do you create a new project?
How do we download 2021's link again?
Oh, yes, for sure. I'll send it to you. I typed my email and password in the chat. So, wait, Isabella, what's that?
How do you create a new project?
Here, I want to share your screen over. That way I can help you and basically help everyone else. Okay, so you see the top left where you have that way top where you see the eye. You see it? Yeah, just right off that you see a blank piece of paper. Yeah, sure, that one works as well. It says new. Yes, click on that. Click on that one. Yes, and click create. It takes a while to load, but yes, it should be just fine. Not responding. Oh, there we go. It worked. Just a little bit slow, but it should be up really fast. Click OK. There we go.
So like yesterday I downloaded Autodesk, but I think it disappears. So can you send me the links to re-download it?
Yes, I put it in the chat and my email and password as well.
Okay.
Hal, you need help again still?
Yep.
Okay, share your screen.
Sorry, I can't share my screen. It's on the other computer.
Oh. Oh yeah. Why don't you just turn on your camera and then let me see the other computer?
Okay, wait. Okay, I have to unplug a couple wires.
That's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it.
Oh my, how many computers do you have?
This is a monitor,
Oh.
and that one is my sister's computer. I stole it from her.
Okay, so basically your line is not going straight. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Oh, go back to top. So you gotta click on top. You see the view cube?
Yeah.
Click on top.
Oh yeah, how do I do? Oh wait, so I made this random thing. Oh, and I had to delete it.
Yeah, just delete everything. Or you can just
Highlight
project. If you don't want to delete all these, just go for a new project, and then delete this whole project.
How do I? Oh wait, do I make a new one by clicking?
Clicking new. No, so you don't save this, but you click new. You see the top left, right by the little eye. You have a blank piece of paper. Click on that.
Oh. Okay.
Click create.
Gosh, this computer is heavy.
Right there. Click 2D sketch. Should be on the top left.
And then I click XZ plane.
XZ plane. Yes. There we go. You should be all set.
Yeah, I still can't make straight lines. Do I have to
Go
hold
from
down
the
shift?
middle line. Go from the middle line. Click on it once and then release your mouse.
Wait, I can't.
Click on it once after it turns green. Yep. Release your mouse and then you see it goes kind of good right now, right?
Yeah, but how do I make 90 degrees?
Move your mouse left. So you just want it to go right down the x-axis until it goes to 90, and then just type in.
Oh,
Doing the additive right now.
yeah. How do I? Can you even see the screen?
Yes, I can. I can. Yes. Yes. Okay. Oh, your hand is over it or something.
Oh wait, that's my face. Oops.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So just try to make it 90, right? Actually, can you get on Zoom with that computer so that I can help you better?
Yeah. I forgot what the the Zoom ID thing was.
Sure, I can send it to you again.
How do you save your project?
Just click the save. It's kind of weird, but it's a save key. Here, I'll
It's
show.
at the top. It's at the top of your screen.
Yes.
The top, and then there should be like a white rectangle inside a black thingy.
Richard, why don't you share your screen?
Wait, no, this computer doesn't have that. I'm just saying where the.
Oh yeah, you're on a different computer. Forgot about that, but yes. Yeah, Richard's right. After I got my Inventor up, we should all be good. But yes, how I will send you the Zoom. Okay, let me see if I can find it somehow. There we go.
Can you help me? So I'm on this page. What do I do now?
Okay, one second. Let me send this to Hal real quick. There we go. Okay, yeah. So click on Inventor Professional. Oh wait, you're the one experiencing issues, aren't you? Scroll up. Or actually, let me take over control of your screen. Just make it your whole screen, just not this one tab. Make it your whole screen. So share your whole screen with me.
Full screen?
Yeah, like not only this one window.
Okay.
How do you delete a project?
Delete a project. You just basically get a new one, and then that's it.
Wait, I couldn't hear you. It was lagging.
Oh, I just said you can just get a new one.
So it says my screen says images now. What should I do?
Okay, here. Let me. Okay, yeah, I can control your screen. We're good.
Oops. And wait. Oh, you're controlling my screen.
Yes, I'm controlling your screen. You should be just fine.
Oh, is this thing?
Yeah, you can just re-download it right there.
No wonder. I mean, what the heck was that?
Isabella, you don't delete a project. You just get a new one. Here, I'll show you what you do.
Yeah, I got that, but I still don't really get how to save it.
So you see the bottom, and then you have a little cross. Like let's say that's part 1, right? Should be on either the left or the right side of part 1. It should be on the bottom left of your screen. You see it?
The bottom left?
Yes.
No,
Well,
I
not
don't.
really that bottom left, but yeah, it's pretty bottom left. It's hard to explain. Let me share my screen after. Oh, Elvin, you should be fine because after this downloads, you should be all good. Don't close the tab. Leave it there to download, and then yes, here I'll share this one with Isabella. 1 second. I'm gonna get this up with you. Loading still. It's a little bit slow. Tiny bit slow, but yes. All right, so let's say I got a new part, right? And let's say I just got a different new one, right? Let's say I just made one more. And I don't want my first one anymore, right? You see this? Click on this, the one you don't want. Exit out right here. You see it?
Yeah, I got that, but I don't know how to save it.
Oh, save it? Save is right here, top left. You see this? This right here, it says save. You see where my
It says you
right here?
cannot save. Oh, yeah, I need to finish sketch.
Finish your sketch, and then you can save. Perfect. You got it.
Is this right?
Here, share your screen over. Yes, that looks right. It takes a while to download.
Is my file name supposed to be part 1?
No, make it additive if you want to do the additive modeling, and then subtractive if you want to do the subtractive. But all I want from you is a picture of your final design. That makes sense?
I don't really get.
How do I give you the picture?
So you know Google Classroom, you can just upload it in there. Yeah,
Can I share my screen?
go ahead. Yeah, so what, oh yeah, everyone, and I thought I talked about this, but I guess not. So y'all should all go to desktop, create a new folder that's called Engineering Design Club.
Wait, we already did that. We did that already. You told us.
Yeah, that's what I thought, but all right, there we go. So that's Engineering Design Club, right? I click into there and then save this. That's like additive. And just click to save. And you should be good to go. That makes sense?
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
So I can leave now if I'm good.
Yeah, if you think you got everything, go ahead. No problem.
Okay,
Uh,
bye.
Thank you.
yeah, anyone, if you get it, go ahead and leave. If you have any questions, I'm here to answer them.
Can you help me resolve that issue?
Yeah, no problem. Did you get on the Zoom meeting with the?
This camera hang. It doesn't matter right now. It doesn't matter.
Did you get your other computer onto the meeting?
Yeah, this is the other computer.
Okay, all right, yeah. Share your screen over. Yes, perfect. Okay, all right, Inventor. Yes. So what you're supposed to do? No, you don't make this. Okay, right here. Here, let me control it so that way I can better do it. Okay, so first here, you don't move anything. Okay. Let me do the work. Oh wow. Yeah, this is really lagging now. So you see when it turns green?
Yeah.
You can right click on it, and then you can click delete for now. Okay, I'm gonna reteach you this. Click line. Go to this middle spot right here. After it turns green, right here. Oh, it's so hard to focus on here. There we go. It turns green, right? Click on it. Drag it left.
Oh wait, I don't think it's centered.
I don't think it's on there, but yeah, that's what I thought. So let me zoom it in a little bit. A little bit too much. Zoomed it in a bit too much, but yes. I'm done, yes. So now we can get on the middle. Right here. We can go for the middle spot right here, right? Why you're so small?
Wait, here, I'll try to do that part.
Oh, here, we're good. Oh, no. What
I
tab?
have to move the speaker tab thing. It's blocking the center. There we go.
Oh, I guess that's why, but yes.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, you think you're good? Okay, all right, yeah, go ahead. Under my control.
Wait, no, go ahead and control. I want to see how you edit the length of the line.
Okay, all right, yeah. Alvin, you good? You can leave it if you're good, Alvin.
I think I want to stay until it's done loading.
Okay, all right, no problem. I have to exit out this, but yeah. So all right, all what you do is leave your mouse, right? So take both hands off your mouse and type in how long you want this line to be. I want it to be 1 inch, right?
When I type, it doesn't work. See, if I type 1, it'll instantly delete it. 1.
Oh, there we go. It worked.
What?
I think I saw it. Go ahead and type again. Again. Yep, right there.
Enter. There we go. Oh my.
Gone. Oh,
Wait, what?
much, but yes.
Wait, what happened?
Click redo.
Wait, how do I redo? Control Z?
Top left. You see this little redo button right there? It's right by the safe.
Wait, top left. I don't see a redo button.
Top left. It's right by the save. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see. Okay, let me try that again. Line.
Here, one more try. Middle.
There. And then. Wait, why is it so zoomed out?
I don't know, but you can always zoom it back in. Just click on home view. Click on home view. You
Fine.
should be good to go. Click on home view. Home view.
Oh my gosh. What is happening? No.
That's fine. That's fine. Click on. Click back on. Well, undo it and click on home view.
Okay, I have this very pitiful line here. 2D sketch. Wait, how do I get it back to center on the Z plane guy?
Click top. Click top. The
Okay.
view.
Yay, okay.
We're back. We're fine. Yep. Go. Click on one.
What? Yay, 1 inch. Finally.
Perfect.
Oh no, it's zooming like crazy. What the?
Yeah, you need to scroll your mouse up to zoom it out.
Okay, wait. What? This, how do I get rid of the
Down on
speaker
this
tab?
middle part of the mouse right here. Press down on this to move your project.
Huh? Press down.
Do you have this this little wheel right here?
Oh yeah.
Press
Oh
down
no,
on
I
it.
just, okay, I just made this weird thing.
That's fine. Undo, undo, and undo.
And then I'm going to click on the home button. Oh
Yeah.
no, what's it doing?
A home button just adjusts your view.
Oh, there we go. That's nice. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, that makes sense. So you're making a real line right now, okay?
Okay, wait. How do I center it later? Okay. I want this to be exactly 90 degrees.
You mean 180 right there? Yeah, right there. It's pretty easy to achieve, as long as you kind of get it straight.
Get it straight. Better be 0. There we go.
There we go. Right? That's
And click 1 instead. There we go.
there we go. That's pretty good. So yes, I'm gonna leave you right here. Alvin, did yours finish download?
Wait, no, I still need you for 1 second. How do I center it in the center? Like center the square in the center?
You don't, because that's why I did that little extra line right there, because I wanted to center it, right?
Oh. Okay. Finish
Yeah,
sketch.
what you can do is create 3 more squares that's identical to it. Or yeah, that's my extrude. See,
Oh,
a cube. How nice.
nice.
All right, go ahead and do your homework. I will see you
Thank
on Monday.
you. Thank you.
Christmas.
Thank you. Even though I don't celebrate Christmas.
Okay, yeah, Alvin, you good? Can I leave you here?
Okay.
Okay, I think I'll have to leave. Bye.
Bye.